Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write 10-line essay on the topic Utkal Divas. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Utkal Divas is a day of pride and celebration for the people of Odisha. Second line is it is celebrated on April 1st every year to mark the state's formation. Third line is the day is observed with great enthusiasm and patriotic fervor by Odias. Fourth line is it is a proud day for every Odia to celebrate their identity and heritage. Fifth line is the first Utkal Divas was celebrated in 1936. Sixth line is this day reminds people of the struggles and sacrifices made by great leaders for the state's formation. Seventh line is it is an occasion to celebrate the state's progress and development. Eighth line is it is also a day to renew commitment towards the betterment of the state. Ninth line is, it is not just a celebration but also a reaffirmation of the state's culture and heritage. Last line is, it is a significant day for the people of Odisha.